Hi traders, this is a very quick recap of a very powerful morning in financial markets with the Alpha Fibonacci software and without. I have the entire hour recorded separately, but if you want to avoid watching the very long video, this is what played out live. So I choose to project software on 1 minute chart. This is a software to day trade futures, and I can convert this chart to any time frame. This is horrible retail chop and horrible choppy market conditions. But during horrific market conditions, you knew where to exit your longs, and you knew it with a single glimpse before the start of the trading day. And you knew where to exit your longs, as again, RZ means reversal zone, market sold off. RZ means reversal zone where market rallied from. So if you're looking on this chart and you're witnessing again another selling pressure, it's a stunning reminder. When you start using your limitless brain, with the power of the Alpha Fibonacci system, you can trade not just with software to day trade futures, but you could have done exact same trade on Nvidia. Identical Fibonacci levels, identical strategy. You could have bought and shorted oil. Identical Fibonacci levels, identical Fibonacci strategy. You could have shorted Amazon, exact same strategy. But what is the difference? No software on this chart, simply Fibonacci retracement tool. You can insert on Fidelity, TradeStation, Thinkorswim. You can trade on Forex platforms MT4 and T5. Identical strategy on Euro as playing out live on S&P 1 minute chart. You knew where to exit from. So if you understand the power of this, and you have versatility to trade any chart you choose, software comes with a day trading scanner. You can insert gold, you can insert oil, but again, if day trading is not your thing, if ultimate precision and technical execution is not your cup of tea, do not beat yourself up. Trade system on crypto platforms, looking at the chart once a week, once a month. It's identical strategy, it's identical proprietary levels that we will be diving deep into. As again, Apple testing exact same level where S&P testing in front of you live. No software on this chart, only proprietary strategies and proprietary rules. You also know hours and days in advance. This level is out, this level to follow. You are not gambling, you strategizing as intelligent trader. Choosing any instrument you choose to trade. Pure price for entry and proprietary Alpha Fibonacci for exits is the power of the Alpha Fibonacci system traded with and without software. Software to day trade futures again and again comes with scanner, as shown the entire morning to the tick. So if you understand the power of this, and you are fortunate enough to grab the very last few spaces. So when you come to the website, you can always request invitation to the trading room, but this is a historical event, Bootcamp number 15. In 15 years, I teach annual bootcamp. You will witness the power of the system in the live markets. If you are a new student, value of the bootcamp $27.77 included at no extra cost to new students. So please understand, with a lifetime system for all platforms and lifetime software to day trade futures for Ninja Trader 8, savings are up to $10,000. Come with a private mentoring course, the most desirable option. So, if you can afford private mentoring, I work with you one-on-one. I hold your hand, I test you, I quiz you, I keep you accountable. Every single option includes video library modules. 80% of our students all over the world work full-time on different time zones. I work with heart surgeons, brain surgeons. Number of my clients are full-time business owners, prop firm traders, financial advisors. Group course, the most popular option, include video library modules. Again, if you are non-Ninja Trader 8, option 2 and 4 appropriate for you. Please view my students' performance and remember, if complete beginner traders can do this, if children of my students can do this, anyone can. Listen to the podcasts of traders from all over the world and recognize this is proprietary system traded globally since 2011. Any questions, simply pick up the phone and call. Because if you are very fortunate to join us, it will change your life and trading forever. Simply pick up the phone and call 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Because when during such horrific markets you're witnessing ultimate precision live, in the trading room you can ask questions about any stock, such as Amazon selling off from exact same level as you're witnessing S&P reached right now. Tomorrow morning in the trading room we will have oil news, as again oil collapsed despite US bumping around. And again, identical trade you witness on S&P played out on Tesla. Spectacular, flawless, bullish rally. Despite horrific earnings, despite catastrophic events in Tesla. Identical trade. Tesla selling off, as you see right now. So please view my students' performance and remember, my students become my dearest friends for life. I traveled the world meeting my students. William with us this morning. And that's William and I met at least 7 2 a.m. times in New York and California. So no matter where you are in the world, if you become my student, I invite you to our graduate events. Thank you so much everyone for spectacular morning, and remember, if you want to trade stocks, futures, forex, crypto, of course you can. Choice is yours, the instrument and time frame you trade. This is proprietary system playing out in front of you live, as again and again. You want to day and position trade? You want to use options? Of course you can. In the trading room you're witnessing all of this live. So, you're fortunate enough to join? 6 spaces left. Any questions? Pick up the phone and call. Send me the email with your phone number if you are on different time zone. I live and breathe what I do. And the reason why? Because our global community from US and more than 60 countries is very exclusive and very close. And students will be stopping by in the bootcamp from all over US, from Sydney, from Florida, from Chicago. CEO legend. Loves stopping by. Emmanuel brought his wife to the course. Carlton brought many friends. Ken made movie about Fibonacci Trading Institute. Richard and David retired trading the system. So thank you so much everyone for spectacular morning. Again, I hope you're joining us in the bootcamp. Any questions? Simply pick up the phone and call 925-257-4298. Thank you so much, everyone.